Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio files in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your notes and folders. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see various options for navigating through Evernote. Click on Notes to view all your existing notes and access the note creation options. This is where you'll either create a new note or select an existing one to work with. In this same left panel, you have two options. You can either create a brand new note specifically for your audio transcription, or you can select an existing note where you want to add and transcribe your audio file. Choose whichever option works best for your workflow and organization needs. Once you've opened your chosen note, click anywhere in the note body where you want to upload the audio file. This action will open up the toolbar at the top of the screen, giving you access to all the formatting and insertion options that Evernote offers. Next, look at the upper left corner of the toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various insertion options. From this menu, scroll down until you find the File option and click on it. This will allow you to upload any file type from your computer directly into your note. A file browser window will now appear on your screen. Navigate through your computer files to locate the audio file you want to transcribe. Once you've found it, select the file and click Open to upload it to your note. Here's where Evernote's magic happens. The app will automatically begin transcribing your audio file as soon as it's uploaded. Depending on the length and quality of your audio, this process might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Just be patient and let Evernote do its work in the background. Once the transcription is complete, look for a small icon that appears on the right side of the audio attachment. Click on this icon to access the transcription results. And there you have it. The transcript will appear directly below the audio attachment as fully editable text. You can now review, edit, or copy the transcription as needed. This feature makes it incredibly easy to convert voice recordings, interviews, or lectures into searchable, editable text without any manual typing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.